I tried the viral Snail Mucin, and I made a video after this of me before and me a couple days after and me 3 weeks in. And stay tuned to the end because I say how to use this. Basically, I did a lot of research of when to use it first or after. So here is my before video coming up. All right, this is my before for the Snail Mucin. I haven't used that. You can see that I just kind of have some patches of acne and just some skin tone that isn't totally clear. So let's see, after a little use, what a little Snail Mucin. I have a wrinkle here, had some wrinkles here. Skin just like not as vibrant as I'd like it, so let's see. All right, this is after about 2 weeks of using the Snail Mucin. You can see that there's just this beautiful glowy dew on my face. My skin tone is definitely evened out. It's a time of month, so I have a few little things, but the tone of my skin has really evened out. I even feel like fine lines are diminishing. So I would really recommend, and I want to tell you guys now how to use this because I think the way you use it really affects how it goes. So it's a serum, so you're going to want to have your face actually wet, because what it is kind of like hyaluronic acid, where it pulls in the moisture to keep like a barrier. So when your face, after you cleanse and tone and your face is a little wet, you can use the serum, and then a moisturizer after. So you're gonna wet, Snail Mucin, and then after you can do your moisturizer. If you're using like a retinol or something like that, I would recommend doing, say, Snail Mucin in the morning and then do those at night. And you would put your retinoid on before, but maybe a vitamin C before, and then your Snail Mucin over it at night, and then a moisturizer over it too. And it's gonna really just seal in all of that moisture. I'm really impressed with it. My skin is, it's not even moisturized. It feels firmer, and just the texture is just a lot different. So I would definitely recommend the viral Snail Mucin.